Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about basic geometric shapes. So let's start. Okay, now what shape is this? It's a circle. It is a round-shaped figure that has no corners or edges. What is this? It's a square. A square is a two-dimensional closed shape with four equal sides. It's a triangle. A triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape with three sides and three angles. It's a rectangle. A rectangle is a closed 2D shape having four sides and four corners. It's an oval. An oval shape is a closed shape. It is a completely curved geometric figure. Thus, it has no straight lines. That's a hexagon. A hexagon can be defined as a closed two-dimensional polygon with six sides. It's pentagon. A shape that has five sides and five angles is called a pentagon. It's octagon. A regular octagon shape has 8 equal sides and 8 equal angles. It's a rhombus. Rhombus is a shape with 4 equal sides. It's a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a flat closed shape having 4 straight sides with one pair of parallel sides. It's a decagon. A decagon is simply a 10-sided polygon. Cylinder. A cylinder is made of a rolled surface with a circular top and a circular base. It's cube. A cube is a solid shape with 6 square faces. Each square face has the same side length and thus all the faces have the same size. It's an ellipse. An ellipse is a closed plane curve that results from the intersection of a plane cutting through a cone. In other words, it's an oval. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a special type of quadrilateral that has both pairs of opposite sides parallel and equal. It's a heptagon. A heptagon is a two-dimensional shape with 7 sides and 7 angles.